What's up, everyone? Daniel Yuck here with Daniel Yuck Tattoos. Thank you for tuning in. I want to go ahead and I want to maybe shed some light on a personal exercise and share this exercise with you all to help you upon your tattooing journey. Now, for me, I started this exercise way before I actually started tattooing. So if you're thinking about getting into tattooing and you want to get into tattooing and you haven't picked up any equipment, you don't know what to get, you're not even at that phase to start even looking into that, I recommend next time you go to the store, picking a couple of these up and practicing this exercise right here. This is like a great exercise to practice before you start tattooing, at the beginning of your tattooing journey, in the middle, and when you're a full-blown professional. I would recommend this to anybody. This is what I do often. My specific style is a centerfold, basically like around lines. Lines are the main part of my tattoos. Like every line, I want it to be the same. It has to look a certain way, and it has to get it within a first pass, try, or within a second. I don't like to go back and shape up my lines. This exercise has helped me do better lines. Like, it's just a great practice within this composition spiral. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now so you all can see. What I go ahead and do is, as you can see, I've done it on this one specific quite a bit. Let's see here. Line, pages and pages of just doing lines. So what I went ahead and what I do is I went ahead and I would start right here, go all the way to the right, and then, go down, go all the way to the left, and I just do that over and over, and I would just do that over and over, and I would repeat the process over and over again, as you can see. And this is what allowed me to hold my tattoo machine in a manner that allowed me to pull really, really clean lines. I could probably even pull up some pictures right here on this video on some practice skins that I've done, and maybe even some humans, of some lines that I pulled, so you can see my line work and what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and take a moment for that. So yeah, as you can see, this exercise alone has helped me achieve better results, and I feel that by making this quick little video for you and showing you this exercise and what to do, and again, they're not going to be perfect. They don't have to be perfect. The point is, you want this muscle memory. You want to be able to know how to pull lines from A to B, because a tattooing, essentially lining, is A to B, and that's what this is. You're learning discipline while learning how to pull an effective line. I guarantee you this exercise will up your lining game. It did mine. I wouldn't have been the same if I didn't do little practices like this. There you all have it. This is a cool little exercise. I highly recommend you go ahead and do so. Pick up a composition book. Go ahead and just literally use it for lining. 1, 2, back, forth. Always remember A, B, A, B, A, B, all the way through. And this is what's going to be like to lay out tattoos, essentially, that are heavily based around line work. So yeah, there you all have it. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them in the comments down below. I'm going to do my best to guide you in the best possible direction each and every time. My name is Daniel Yuck. I also have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at DANIELYUCK, Daniel Yuck. Be sure to go ahead and give me a follow on there. Thank you yet again. You have a great day.